2004 GMC Sierra SLE extended cab 4-wheel drive. This truck is just like brand new. It's got 45,000 miles on it. Brand new tires, fog lights in the front, 5.3 liter motor, V8. It's got the chrome badging on the doors there. Body's in above excellent condition. Tow package. It's got the bed liner. The body's virtually flawless on this. The frame has been undercoated. You can see the tires are brand new. Mud flaps. No dings, no scratches. Chrome grille, chrome bumper. Does have the extended cab where the back opens up. Interior is in excellent condition. It is charcoal. Armrest, center console, dual climate control, CD player. Radio controls on the steering wheel makes it like a 2LT if it was a Chevrolet. Power windows and locks. Keyless entry. Push button 4-wheel drive with auto feature, fog light button, tilt wheel. Truck is in excellent condition. Give me a call, Corey at Finney's Automotive Center, 315-686-5271. Thank you.